Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 11. I just want to go over quickly with you the instructions for this week and everything that you will be doing. So first and foremost, last week we were working on the Onshape tutorials, parts 1 through 3 of the rocket assignment. So you should have all 3 parts done at this time, and that will lead you into what you're doing this week. So you're moving on, and you're doing the assembly tutorial 3.4 assembly for those parts from last week. So you're gonna use the assembly tutorial that I have linked in the assignment to finish this project, and that will have us completely done with the tutorial. Basically, the tutorial was to help introduce you to the software and make you more comfortable with it and get some experience using it. So I want you to finish that, follow along the steps. Here's how you name it. Don't forget to share it with our team so that I can go in and look at it myself. Here's the link to the tutorial itself. Remember, screenshot on a Google Doc, screenshot of your assembly, and then you also share with the team for submission of that assignment. The next 2 things you will see are 2 videos, creating multi-view drawings in Onshape and adding dimensions in Onshape. You'll need to watch these videos in order to complete 3.5, the multi-view drawing and dimensioning activity. So for this one, you're going to use the videos in Schoology to assist you. I would like you to draw the following isometrics, in Onshape. Then I want you to create a fully dimensioned multi-view sketch on a border and title block. Again, watch the videos to assist you. Submit screenshots of your drawings and share with your team in Onshape. So here are the 2 drawings. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I want you to recreate them in Onshape, and then watching the videos that will help explain how you create a multi-view drawing and then how you dimension that multi-view drawing. So you'll be doing 2 of those, submitting the screenshots just like you've done in the past. Now, that's everything I have for you this week. I didn't want to overwhelm you with too much, so please take your time. Again, do not wait until Sunday to do these assignments. I cannot help you if you send me a Schoology message on Sunday saying that you couldn't get through it. There's nothing I can do at this point, and it's late. So yeah, keep that in mind. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in class.